In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix X keep stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are getting this error while using your phone or while trying to open your X or formerly Twitter app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to troubleshoot the app by going to settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for X and then tap on it. Here it is. And under this, go to force stop and OK. And then go to clear data and clear cache and finally OK. Finally clear all cache. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone and everything should be okay. However, if this still persists, then check and then see if you have any VPN turned on your phone. You'll need to uninstall it or turn it off. Also, this applies to if you are using recently installed security app. However, if that's not the case, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your app. And here, if I run search, check and then see if you have any update for your app. Update it to the latest version, as this might be the reason. But in some cases, even after updating your app, you must still experience the same issue. For that, it implies your X app might contain bugs. To fix that, you'll need to uninstall your X app and install it afresh. So that will clear all the bugs. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.